News by Adya Group of Institutions.
Hello all, welcome back to Adya's news channel. This is Shivani and I'm your broadcast presenter of this week. So without any delay, let's get started with Snigdha, our in-house informer.
Hello everyone, this is Snigdha, your Adya in-house informer. Ever heard about ISB, the Indian School of Business? Yes, you surely might have. So ISB has organized a young leadership program wherein it takes students from final year and pre-final year of college and they get to clear 3 stages. So the students who get selected in the Young Leadership Program have a seat reserved at ISB and he or she can start MBA program after 20 months of experience. Sounds great, right? Well, Anvesh Patnaik, currently a BBA student of Adya, has been selected as a campus ambassador from ISB for the Young Leadership Program. Out of thousands of applicants, 140 ambassadors were selected and he is one of them. He will be given a certificate and LOR and is granted a visit to the campus with a free pass to the ISB conference in March, which will be attended by CEOs, CFOs, managers, research and developers, and also teachers and lecturers from all over the world. He has also been selected for HPAIR, Harvard Conference of 2021, that is, Harvard Project for Asia and International Relations. It is a 1-week conference where you get to meet great people and create a network. You also get exposure to world-class learning. And Anvesh was the only one among 10,000 applicants from Asia to get into this. Next up, after close to 9 months, the higher educational institutions are set to open in the state. The resumption of offline classes comes as a relief to a large section of academic community that fear the consequences that a zero academic year potentially has on career prospects. So the classroom teaching for students will resume from February 1st. And Adya is all set to open the college, ensuring that the COVID-19 precautionary measures are in place. A consent form will be sent to the parents, so the permission of parents is to be obtained from the students who wish to come to college and attend the classes. It is rightly said that the only source of knowledge is experience, and what we learn to do, we learn by doing. Students of Adya are into supply chain management of groceries, and it is called the Adya Cart. Adya Cart is an online grocery store where students get practical exposure about marketing, supply chain management, price, sales and purchases. So good quality of groceries at reasonable prices. What are you waiting for? Place an order and it will be delivered after 24 hours. Moving on, as a part of Adya's Career Enhancement Program, an online session was conducted on IELTS, that is the International English Language Testing System, by Bhavna Ma'am, an IELTS trainer for Australian Career College. She has over 20 years of experience in teaching and mentoring. She has worked as a trainer for IATA and is an IELTS trainer till date. It was an interactive yet an informative session. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable inputs. I would like to congratulate Anvesh on behalf of Adya. You've made us all proud. That's all I have for you in this edition. The news and updates continue on Adya's news channel. Stay tuned.
Thank you Snigdha for this information. So now, without any delay, let's get into the business news by Vaishnavi.
Hello guys, this is Vaishnavi. Welcome to Adya's news channel. You are watching business news. Let's know today's headlines. Bharti Airtel divests 6,824 equity shares in Sins Technologies that create a loan platform. WhatsApp delays new privacy policy by 3 months amid severe criticism. Tesla's success should justify its share price, informed by Raghuram Rajan. Finance Ministry and Niti Aayog objected to Adani's control of 6 airports. Union budget to be presented on 1st of February. Bill Gates becomes the biggest owner of farmland in US. RBI open to proposals on creation of bad bank to sell the assets at a discounted price, reported by Shaktikanta Das. Indian economy constitutes to be weak, stated by Bank of American Arm. Thank you.
Thank you Vaishnavi, that was quite informative. So now, let's welcome Kirti for political news.
Hi friends, this is Kirti. Welcome to Adya's news channel and you're watching political news and today's headlines. Amit Shah to attend meeting of State Core Committee and ministers on Saturday. India-Nepal ties. offer limitless potential, says Rajnath Singh. Wanted to be someone important. Never dreamt of becoming a vice president, says Venkaiah Naidu. Strict action should be taken, claimed by the Congress party on opening of Godse Library in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Dilip Ghosh claims around 50 TMC MLAs to join BJP next month. Karnataka government finalizes 7 ministers to be inducted in the cabinet. Make national song compulsory in BMC run schools, says BJP corporator. Congress holds nationwide protest against farm laws, observes Kisan Adhikar Divas. Kerala budget promises 20 lakh jobs in next 5 years. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Kirti, for sharing us this valuable information. So, do you guys even feel the same as I'm feeling right now? Yeah, we need some fun, right? So, without any further delay, let's welcome Akansha for entertainment news.
Everyone, this is Akansha in the second year from other group of institutions here to share some entertainment news. Yeah, let's go to our headlines. James Master to be remade in Hindi. Marvel's Moon Knight series. Akshay Kumar plays volleyball with soldiers on Army Day. Actor Mohit Malik tested positive for coronavirus. Now let us go to the main news. Vijay's Master to be remade in Hindi. Vijay Thalapathy and Vijay Sethupathiy's Tamil film Master, which is recently released in theatres, will be remade in Hindi. Scam 1992. Hansal Mehta said, "We know we were making something special with a lot of courage and conviction." On the occasion of Army Day, actor Akshay Kumar plays volleyball with some of the men from Indian Army, and he expressed that he had the great pleasure of meeting some of our brave hearts to flag off the marathon on Army Day. Actor Mohit Malik, who stars in show Lockdown Ki Love Story, has tested positive in coronavirus, and he requested all those who were in touch with him to take safety measures and necessary tests, exercise caution. Thank you.
Thank you, Akansha. We really enjoyed it. Last but not the least, let's welcome Priya for sports news.
Sports news. Football Premier League. Manchester United retain top spot after Liverpool draw. Lionel Messi sees red as Bilbao stunned Barcelona to win Spanish Super Cup. North East United Football Club end winless streak with triumph against Jamshedpur Football Club. Cricket. India vs Australia 4th Test Day 4. Mohammad Siraj removes Steve Smith. Australia 5 down. Smith departs for 55. Australia leading by 250 runs. BCCI likely to add only one IPL franchise for now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priya, for sharing the sports news with us. So now let's know the weather reports of the week by Bhargavi.
Hello everyone, this is Bhargavi Reddy. This week's weather report. The Indian Meteorological Department has detected the dense to very dense fog at the isolated pockets are very high over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, UP, North Rajasthan, West Bengal, Sikkim and Bihar for the next 3 days. IMD has also said that due to the dry north winds, minimum temperature are likely to be fall to 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over the parts of northwest India during the next 2 days. A cold wave conditions are also very likely over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, UP, Rajasthan and East Madhya Pradesh during the next 2 days. Coming to our Telangana is expected to be warmer than the usual this month. As per the weather outlets for the January 2021, the IMD, the minimum temperature are expected to be closer to the normal temperature in Telangana this month. However, the maximum temperature might be little lower than the normal numbers. Coming to the current temperature is 18 degrees Celsius, 5% chances of raining. In Telangana, next 7 days are going to be sunny in the daytime and partly clouded in the night time. Thank you. Stay tuned for the more latest updates. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for sharing this information, Bhargavi. So this is it for the week, guys. I hope you really loved the news this week. Until then, stay tuned, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.